It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.